Asian shares barely eked out recoveries after some early losses on Monday. Experts say markets are still jittery with global oil prices declining to lows not seen since 2003, while concerns continue to mount over a global economic downturn. Hwang Ji looks at the digits and beyond.
Markets in Asia recovered from some early losses on Monday. Japan's Nikkei closed down a little over 1% after falling more than 2%. Korea's benchmark Kospi also erased losses from morning trade, edging down a mere 0.02%. The slide of Asian shares at market open came on the back of a big sell-off on Wall Street on Friday when Standard & Poor's 500 index hit a 15-month low. As for the late-day recovery, that's partly being attributed to Chinese shares closing up about 0.5% after a volatile session.
Although China's stock market went up slightly, the rise itself relieved fear over uncertainties coming from China.
But whether such recovery in the markets will continue remains questionable, with global oil prices extending their decline after international sanctions on Iran were lifted. Iran is gearing up to expand output and exports by 500,000 barrels a day. Due to worries of oversupply and weakening demand, Brent oil traded down around 2.5%, ending slightly above $28 a barrel after slipping below $28 in the morning, reaching its lowest level since 2003. Experts are saying it's not just low oil prices that's expected to persist for the time being.
There are still worries about Chinese market volatility as well as the Federal Reserve's projection of 4 more rate hikes.
The U.S. Fed raised its interest rate for the first time in nearly a decade in December, stoking fear of massive capital outflows from emerging nations. Hwang Ji, Arirang News.